Good afternoon, my prepper posse. I thought I'd show you this. I put this on today in between mowing and everything else I'm doing when I'm waiting for batteries to charge and that kind of stuff. Ring the bell. If no one answers, start pulling weeds. And I found this junction box. It'll have a cover on it as well, so when I'm driving, my doorbell is covered and it won't get rain in it, but I can't see. Hope you can hear it. I think it's funny. But that's what I did. Yeah, I know it looks like we have sun, but we got all these clouds coming in. And they're coming in quick. Hope everybody's having a great day. I'll paint the other side of the bus with the Herculiner when I don't have so many clouds coming in of rain, because they're talking about it all week. Everybody stay cool. Enjoy your day. See you!